So I have done this girl, Christy. She's blonde. She did not want to, she didn't care about dyeing her hair other than just keeping it blonde. So I crocheted and gave her the option of crocheting in human hair versus synthetic hair. She said, let's just do the synthetic. She has no desire to go darker. So we kept the blonde. She chose the synthetic. I gave her the options of different synthetics. She chose that. And it's obviously a cheaper way of doing it rather than buying the virgin hair, which is very expensive. So anyway, I crocheted in, and here is from the beginning to the end, as much as I could have gotten it. All right, here you go.